I have made this trinket tray out of a plastic basket. How? Let's do it together. Hi all, hope all of you are fine and well. This is the plastic frame I'm going to use for my decoration. First of all, I'm going to paint it golden with this acrylic paint and then use it as a golden rim. Here I'm using brush number 11 to paint it, and this is the plastic basket we are going to turn into a trinket tray. First of all, I'm going to paint it black, and when that color is done, then I am going to paint its ridge with the golden color. Here I am painting the edge of the basket with the golden acrylic paint to make it a bit more decorative. When all the painting would be done, remember to give it a coat of varnish or to spray paint it with acrylic lacquer to make your painting work more permanent. Then we'll start decorating it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would say consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Here I'm using brush number 2 to paint the edge of the basket, and it's a round brush. This is the corrugated cardboard and I have taken the size. I had just put the mirror on it and then cut 2 pieces. Now I'm going to stick those 2 pieces with hot glue. When this is done, I'm going to stick my mirror on this piece of corrugated cardboard, and then I'm going to stick it in the center of the basket. I'm using a rough rag here to stick it more smoothly. This is done. And now I'm going to stick it in the center of the basket, and for this purpose I'm going to use hot glue. If you are hearing some noise, please ignore it because there is a house that's being built and this is the noise they are creating. The mirror is stuck. Now I'm going to use that plastic frame as a golden rim, and again I'm going to stick it with hot glue. So the center portion of the basket is ready. Here I'm using some ribbon flowers and ribbon leaves, and soon I'm going to upload a video of how these flowers and leaves are made. If I have made these flowers in this video, the video would have been too long and there are chances you may lose interest in it, so I'm going to upload a new video of the flowers and the leaves. And I wanted a monochrome effect, that's why I have painted the basket black and then I'm using off-white flowers. If you want to ask anything, ask in the comment section and I'll answer all your questions. Ribbon flowers are more easy to stick with hot glue. At least that's my personal experience, but sometimes you can use other glues as well. Decorate the rest of the basket in the same way. This is the last flower I'm putting, and I wanted you to see how I have completed this project. Your trinket tray is ready and I hope you're going to enjoy it. I know this is going to grace your dressing table very well. This basket is not only beautiful but very practical too. That's why I'm putting some jewelry pieces here so you can see how you can use it. That's how I myself am going to use it. And I wish you all a very happy and nice day.